a multi-system customer lookup agent. So the problem is when the customer says, "Hey, what's the status of customer John?" So we need to go to different tool like Jira, Zendesk, Scribe, Salesforce to get all the information. What if a workflow that automatically detect what the user want, understand the intent, pull data from Stripe, Jira, and different Salesforce, merge everything together, and generate a full customer report using AI. So that will send message back to customer on different platform. It could be Slack or other things. So no human involvement. Let me show you how AI routing system actually works step by step. So in the first node, we have Slack trigger. We start with the Slack trigger. This node listen to Slack in real time, and so whenever someone send a message in Slack, this workflow automatically activates. So I have disconnected it for now. And the next step is AI agent, but I'm not using a trigger node, so I hard coded the message here in the edit field. So let's say we are saying that what is the status of customer John doing. So the next is AI agent. Now this is the brain of the system. We send the message into an AI agent node, and this AI is not asking the question yet. Instead, it doing something more important. It classify the intent. It's saying the system message. It has the basically. Let me run the previous node. Okay, now we have message and we are giving this message, and we are saying you are an intent classification agent, classify into one of the intent. It could be a customer status, payment status, support status, product issue, full customer report, and I need output format like customer name and their intent. So after executing this, now AI agent just simply give intent classify, so and give name and intent. Okay, let them run. Now we can also use we are using route based logic, but we can also use AI agent node and give us tool like this. If I show you, so we have an AI agent, and I'm giving us different tools to AI. Let's say it is for Stripe, get customer data, get Stripe payment for customer, and so on. We could have different Stripe node tool and different Zendesk and for Jira for separately. But for now, we are using route-based logic, which prevent hallucination, and it works best if you have less tools. So after the AI intent, now we need to separate the intent and the customer status. And if I run an AI transform now, it basically you just provide some information like separate output for intent and customer name, and it will give us back the customer intent and customer name separately. So you can just generate a code, click generate code, and it will generate a code, and then you can run it. So the AI always gives structured data. The next is intent detection. And intent detection, this is like a traffic controller. It checks what intent came from AI and route request accordingly. Example route could be a customer status, a payment status, a support status, product issue, full customer report. So based on this, it will classify because multi-agent AI system need to be routing. So this is basically AI decision engine architecture. Then after we have different branches. So for example, if the intent is customer status, it will go to first branch. And the first branch, what we need is we need to get information from Stripe and Salesforce. So this all, and for now we are using set field instead of actual API, which we need to replace it here. For now we are using let's say Stripe give response like customer name, total paid, and last payment, and simple and similar like Salesforce. It also provide response, and in the actual API maybe we have a different format, so we need also uh, make the format similar. So after we have information from Stripe and Salesforce, now we need to merge it. And for to merge it, we are using merge node. And in the merge node, we are need to use mode as append so that it can append all the variables, and the number of input will be 9 because I have 9 variables instead of using merge node for separately I have used one for all of them. So for other intent, for example, let's open it. So for payment status, it will go to Stripe, and for support status, it will go to Zendesk, and for Jira support issue, it will go to Jira, and then it will merge. For example, Jira only we only need one tool, so the merge node will give the result back as. And then after merging, so let's say I hear you. So now it goes into zero output, and in the zero output, it will go both of them. So if I run the merge node, now it will run both node and the output will come here. So as you can see, we have these three information here, and from merge to node we have this information here. Now we have duplicate John Doe. So name and customer, so we need to remove the duplicate and merge both. So for this we are using a code node. And for code node, you can write this code from AI that simply remove the duplicate and merge all of this code. So after executing, so now we remove the duplicate. So the next step is the AI agent. So now we have the actual data of the customer. Now we need to generate a response, and for this we are using AI agent node and telling us that a system message that you are a customer success assistant, and we are giving an intent, as intent come from intent direction node. And for customer data, we are using this from coding JavaScript node, and input.item.json as this give object, so we need to convert it into string. And then we are saying that okay, provide answer in a clear business format, some summary, status, and the recommendation. Then once you execute. Okay, so as you can see, we have status, and in the status we have summary, and now we also have a status. Status is account status is active, subscription plan is pro, payment status is current, and then some recommendation. So we can also make it better, and after that we can attach Slack node so that it will send message back to customer. So let's say send message, and now you can just simply paste output here, select message to user and select user, which is this one. And then when you execute, now the message will be sent to the. So this is very useful route based logic, because sometime agent hallucinate if they have many tools, but it will not more be extended. So the now most people use AI agent node, and for this we are giving all the Stripe APIs to AI agent as a tool. And basically we what we also do is we can use intent classifier as an AI agent. So AI agent will classify first intent, and then we will use different AI agent node and then give different tools to it. So this will work best. So this is a workflow. Okay, that's it.